Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Gayton McKenzie, has stepped in to assist the South African Football Association in addressing unpaid players' bonuses for Bafana Bafana and Banyana Banyana. The move comes after reports revealed that both national teams have not received match bonuses since September, with SAFA reportedly owing players around 6 million rand. In a statement issued on Thursday, McKenzie announced that the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture would advance SAFA 5 million rand to help settle the overdue payments. This advance will be deducted from the Federation's 2025 financial grant. The statement said, following reports that the South African Football Association has become cash-strapped to pay players' salaries ahead of the festive season, the DSAC has decided to advance the Federation with 5 million rand. The advance comes with strict conditions. SAFA must provide a detailed explanation of its financial challenges and present a viable turnaround strategy to prevent future financial crises. According to the DSAC, SAFA's leadership has agreed to these terms and expressed gratitude for the intervention. Minister McKenzie underscored the importance of ensuring players are fairly compensated for their contributions to South African football. McKenzie said, "We cannot allow players to go into this festive season without payment, especially since they have done the country proud." He highlighted recent successes as evidence of the players' dedication, including Bafana Bafana's qualification for the upcoming Africa Cup of Nations and Banyana Banyana's impressive performances, such as winning the 2022 Women's African Championship and reaching the knockout stages of the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023. McKenzie stated the men's team needs to focus on preparing for AFCON and securing a spot at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Meanwhile, Banyana Banyana continues to inspire with their achievements. Both teams deserve to be rewarded appropriately. In correspondence with the minister, SAFTA CEO Lydia Manyao attributed the financial difficulties to insufficient sponsorship revenue and delayed payments from partners. These challenges have left the organization unable to meet its financial obligations to players. The 5 million rand advance is expected to bring temporary relief, but it also places a spotlight on SAFA's financial management. The turnaround plan required by the ministry will be crucial in determining the long-term sustainability of the federation. As South African football moves forward, the intervention by Minister McKenzie ensures that national players can enjoy the festive season with the recognition and financial security they deserve. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.